Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create a video using Invideo AI. So let's get started. So the first you will have to do is to go to your browser and now search for Invideo AI login and click on the first link. Now in here on the top right hand side, click on login or click on sign up to create a brand new account. Now you will be on this page. Now here what you have to do is to give the prompt to the Invideo AI. So just give it a topic, a language, and also a detailed instruction of what you want the video to be about. So once you have written the prompt, just click on generate a video on the right hand side, and now it's gonna ask you a few questions. So just tell it what kind of audience your video is. Also tell it the look and feel the video you would like it to be, and also choose the platform. So if you're doing it for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. Once you have entered these, just click on continue. Now it's gonna be generating your video over here. It's gonna analyze it, plan the music, and put in the voiceovers. Now as you can see, once you get the video, you can click on download on the bottom right hand side, and now choose the plan you want, and then choose the branding and the resolution, and now click on continue, and now you will be able to download it. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.